Josh, this is Scout. She is 10 months old, and she is here all the way from Pennsylvania. They've had her since she was a puppy, from a rescue. She is really sweet, loves people, loves playing with other dogs. However, she does not take cues from other dogs. So they've seen dogs try to correct her, and she just goes back for more. Living with her, they've actually tried to do a lot of work with her, but she's like the queen of ignoring. She'll pretend she doesn't hear, she'll sniff, she'll scratch instead of listening, pulls really hard on the leash. However, they did put a prong collar on her, which she responded really well to it, and that made walks a lot better. They are excited for off leash, and they're mainly just excited to have that final piece of communication, because right now they said it's sort of hard to correct her without this, and they've kind of been pulling out for board and train.
Do you have the remote?
Yeah. Before you got here, I did a basic kennel up protocol. Pressure on when she left the kennel, pressure off when she was back in. It only took her 2 reps, and she got it perfectly. I also corrected her one time for pawing at the bars, and she stopped and was silent until you got home. And
That's
so,
good.
yeah, she was really nice to work with.
She's going through a fear stage right now.
Yeah.
By the looks of it. So this, it's that time, 9-10 months. So.
Good age for training. This is like such my type of dog. Low maintenance, low shedding, cute.
Come here, Scout. Good. That's good.
She's like, where's my treat?
Good.
Starting with the tone recall. And then every time she walks away, it's gonna start over again, so we can start to build the stay. So it's beep, and then verbal. Pressure on, pressure off. Every time she walks away, it gives us an opportunity for another rep. Wow, good.
Good. Good. Good.
Notice when he's petting her is when she's doing what we want her to do.
Good.
So she's getting rewarded for behaviors that we like.
Come.
There it goes again. Good girl.
Good job. Good job.
It's nice that she's starting to offer that sit.
That's a good girl.
And the eye contact is there. There it is. Mostly without words. She's given us a lot of opportunities for reps, which is great. This requires so much patience on Josh's end.
Good. That's a.
And then once we have a couple seconds of a stay,
Frank.
she'll learn the release. She definitely wants to go out to the yard. She's like, what is going on here? Such a puppy. More of a typical puppy than some of the ones we've had recently.
For sure.
Playful, curious, friendly.
Get that nice mix.
Mm-hmm.
You get a bunch of different mixes in there.
Totally.
Yeah.
They haven't done a DNA test, but I'm sure it would come back like
There's gotta be more than one.
tons. Yeah.
More than 2, I mean.
Oh, yeah, more than 5.
There's a lot.
Yeah. Scout.
This is good.
She likes that praise.
Good. Good. That's it.
Oh, another thing she won't let them do their nails.
Please. She sees a fly.
Why are there always flies in here when we do this? I never see them other than session 1.
Time of year, man.
Yeah.
Good. Come.
Nice.
Ah,
Whoa.
nice. Wow.
See how he starts it over again every time she walks
Good.
away? This is going to create a committed dog. And we're creating handler relevance, we're building her impulse control, it's doing so many things in one session.
Okay, Scout. Break.
Yay! Wow. Oh, it's crazy. Every time you open the door, it flies in.
It's just one
fly.
right there. Come. Yeah.
Beautiful. So then we can present a big distraction and ask her to listen anyway.
Scout.
And because we have that e-collar, we can get her attention no matter what. See how that works? So Riggins could represent a squirrel, a deer, anything in the environment that she might prioritize over her handler.
Scout.
Very nice. Getting her away from him before training would require dragging her away with a leash.
Break.
Yay, good girl.
Great.
So he's gonna want to sniff her immediately.
See after doing that?
She doesn't
That's
want to
the
be
same thing
sniffed.
She was doing with
She
me.
gives in. Yep.
Okay, good. So I was producing that as well.
As a younger dog, she's got to allow an older dog to sniff her. She's got to submit. This is dog stuff. You got to learn to talk dog if you're going to train them.
There it is.
So interesting to watch if you know what you're looking at.
He won't take it to the next step.
Right, he wants to hump her.
Yeah.
He wants to hump her, but he's not allowed.
That would
Sorry,
be the next
Rig.
progression to the conversation.
Yeah.
So instead we're gonna play that. I corrected it for that. Good. Good.
Socialization is one thing they're looking forward to because, like I said, she does not take cues. They said dogs have actually corrected her before and she doesn't care. Now she wants to sniff him. And he's saying no.
Yeah, see, it worked that time.
Yeah.
So I backed him up. So he corrected with his body, and I did the e-collar. So she was associating it.
Yeah.
Good. And now this time he gave her a look and she backed down.
Yes. He's saying, I'm older than you. Don't even try it. Respect me as an elder here.
Okay. Very good.
He's showing her that he can keep Riggins away from her. See? So she says, oh, he's really the guy around here.
You see? Good.
Yay!
Good.
Riggins is extra excited because he knows it's almost dinner time.
Great.
Good girl. Go, Ricky, get him. Ricky, get him. Nice. That was a recall back to Josh.
That's good.
Stay. Break.
Yay! Oh my goodness, good girl. Very good start.
Stay.
Beautiful.
Break.
Nice! Riggins. He's extra amped.
He sure is.
That's Sparkle
Door open
barking.
over there? Is that door
Sparkle.
open over there?
No,
Huh?
it's just Sparkle barking.
Oh, okay, let's make sure.
Look at him. Look at how excited he is. Prancing
It's
around
two
the
favorite
yard.
times a day, like breakfast and dinner, so.
Hang on. And it's a young dog that he
Oh,
can
yeah.
just dominate if he
Oh,
wants.
yeah.
Look at him.
Yeah. He's very happy.
If you want to keep your older dog young, get a puppy.
Wow, yeah, if you could, yeah. Could also frustrate the poor old guy.
You know Everest? The
Yeah.
Ridgeback?
Uh-huh.
When they got Bella, she came to life. Like, started
Nice.
playing.
Yeah, Reagan's loved it. As long as the younger dog is submissive to him,
Mhm.
he's a happy camper.
Reagan's also likes to take part in rough play. It's ridiculous. Have you seen it?
Only when he wants it.
Yes.
But yeah.
Dominating play.
As long as he's on top, as long as he's
Mhm.
winning, he's happy.
Yes.
If he's not winning,
It's not fun.
He's not
Yeah.
happy. Yeah. Alright, let's recall him.
Recall from the yard, just with the count. Hands-free. Wow. A lot of this is her following ratings now. Which is good. Now she's going to test the boundary. And good girl. Pressure's off.
That's a good.
Good. Really, really, really good start to the training. She's got a great temperament so far. Why do I say that? She is responding really well.
Break.
Good too. Her movement's being controlled, and that's basically what we're doing. We're recalling her and we're asking her to stay, and she's responding really
Come
well.
on.
There's another recall.
That's really
Good.